ओम सहना भवतु सहना भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं कर्वावहे तेजस्विनावतीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहे। ओम शांति शांति शांति। जय माँ जय माँ जय माँ everyone. Today I am making Bengali aloo posto. So first let me show you how the posto is done. See, ये खसखस लेना पड़ता है, poppy seeds, ठीक है. This is what I soaked for about 4 hours, and then you remove the water where you have soaked and take fresh water और इसको मिक्सर में with 2 to 3 green chillies उसको grind कर दीजिए into this paste with little water. So this becomes the posto. And then you chop potatoes. I have taken 4-5 potatoes. It depends on you कि कितना आपको चाहिए, उस हिसाब से आप आलू ले लीजिए, ठीक है. And now we start the process. So heat your pot. Keep the flame on. Then add lots of सरसों का तेल. ये सरसों में ही होता है, मस्टर्ड ऑयल. लेट इट हीट नाइसली. देन ऐड kalongi and 2-3 dry red chillies. Let it heat. Once this heats, फिर आप आलू ले लीजिए, थोड़ा स्मोक होने दीजिए, बिकॉज समटाइम्स मस्टर्ड ऑयल में क्या होता है, थोड़ी उसकी फ्रेग्रेंस होती है विच समटाइम्स पीपल डोंट लाइक. सो स्मोक इट आउट. ये सब चीजें हमारे आश्रम में बहुत बनती है, देन यू एड योर ऑन स्लो फ्लेम, एड योर आलू. Mix. Now what we have to do is we have to let this cook properly. तो उसको स्लो फ्लेम में ढक्कन लगा के इसको पकने दीजिए. Now what happens is I just want to tell you today. A friend of mine is coming over for lunch, so I'm planning to make a whole Bengali meal for her. So I'm making aloo posto, I'm making that cholar dal, then I'm making that khatta meetha tomato ki chutney, I'm making begun bhaja and luchi. So these are the things I've planned to make for her. She's coming after 2 years, jo COVID chal raha tha, so she could not come. Then she called up and said, can I come? And I said, sure. So that's what I'm doing, but I'll be showing you one by one, in different videos. Just now I'll show you the aloo posto, then next video that way. So I'll come back once this is done. Let's check. See, this is done. Now we have to take the posto and add as much as required. Mix. Looks good ना. और थोड़ा डालती हूँ, डाल ही देती हूँ. Now put the flame on high. give it a good stir. फिर इसमें है ना, देखिए थोड़ा सा पानी डालती हूँ। Mix the whole thing and drop it. Stir. Now again we have to cover the lid और उसको थोड़ा पकने देना है कवर करके। दिस इज़ वेरी सिंपल, बनाने में कोई मुश्किल नहीं है, सिर्फ प्रेपरेशन करना पड़ता है, पर स्लो पे रखिए और कवर करिए। At this point, I will add the slit chillies. मैंने 2-3 chillies slit करके रखी है, so I'm adding that. Mix and add your salt. Some people like it very dry, the posto. मुझे एकदम dry नहीं पसंद है। Mix. Now let this water slightly dry, and then we have to add lime juice on top. Again, I'll cover it for a little while and come back. Now, once this is done, we add lime juice. Stir a little bit, and then on top add a little bit of sarson ka tel, kacha, not cooked. That's it. Stir. See, looks so good. It's very simple. इसमें कुछ है नहीं, है ना? So I'm showing you over here only. Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahana Bhunaktu Sah Viryam Karvavahe Tejasvinavaditamastu Ma Vidvishavahe. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Jai Ma, Jai Ma, Jai Ma. You know, generally ये लोग एकदम सुखा देते हैं और उसको थोड़ा ब्राउन कर देते हैं आलू को। मुझे वैसा नहीं अच्छा लगता है। I like a little latpat, you know, with a little gravy like. So I made it that way. So I'll see you in the next video.